Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to keyframe and ramp your transitions in DaVinci Resolve. So usually when you add a transition to a clip, for example, this one, I'm going to add it in and let's go ahead and play it. As you can see, while it does do its job, it is very linear in its speed and it isn't very smooth. So a great way to take your transitions to the next level is by quickly adding a ramp to the speed. So what this means is the speed is going to change. It's going to start out slow, go up really fast, and then slow down at the end once it's almost done. So to achieve this, you're going to want to highlight your transition, go to your keyframes tab, which you can access by clicking on the keyframes button here at the top left. And underneath, you want to make sure that you're viewing the curves. So if you don't see the curves, just click on this button. And if you don't see the curve for the transition, just go ahead and make sure that this is enabled right here, the transition curve. So now that that's done, I'm just going to add two more points to our graph right here. And I'm going to go ahead and just move them around a bit. So ideally, you want something like an S shape, so it starts slow, then go transitions really fastly, and then near the end, it slows down again. So now that we've added our extra keyframes, let's go ahead and select all. I'm just going to hit Control A on my keyboard. Then I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to click this button right here. So what that does is it makes it's the ease in and out button, and it just makes it so that the curve transitions very smoothly. So I'm just going to move the handlebars around, make sure that we've got a nice looking S curve, just like this. It doesn't have to be super precise. Anything that follows this general shape should look good. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and play the same transition over in our timeline. And as you can see, that already looks a lot better.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish easy to use step-by-step editing tutorials to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding this video useful and would like to learn more, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to show some support, give this video a like, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming out every single day. Now, let's continue.
So if you want, you can also add some other things like motion blur. Let's go ahead and add some motion blur to our transition right here. And then let's play it forward. And there we go. It looks really good and really smooth. So that's how to keyframe and speed wrap your transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Really quick and really easy, and it really makes a huge difference in the quality of your videos. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.